Alright guys, okay, I am so excited because today we are going to be making some banana pudding vanilla wafers. So this dessert, it's so quick, easy, and delicious. Alright, you can make this for Thanksgiving, and then even afterwards you can make it for Christmas. Alright, I'm telling you, you cannot get enough of this. So let's just get started. The only thing about this dessert is you have to put it in the fridge and let it set for a couple hours. So that's the only wait time that we will have, but like I said, the preparation time, very quick. Alright, so what you will need are some bananas. I got the family size vanilla wafers. We got some condensed milk. This is the Eagle brand. Here, I'll plop it on here. Okay, so we got the Eagle brand, and I believe this is the 14 ounce one. All right, we have the vanilla jello pudding. So I like vanilla. Some people use cheesecake or banana flavored, but since we already have the bananas, I don't see the need to add more banana flavor to it. We have some Cool Whip right here. This is the 16 ounce. All right, and then I just have some milk inside of my mixer bowl. All right, so to my mixing bowl, I am going to add the vanilla pudding. And then go ahead and mix this for about 2 minutes. As you can see, it is already starting to thicken up, and that is what you want. See, so it's been 2 minutes exactly already, and look at that peak right there. That is what you want. Alright, you guys, so what we want to do now is add our sweetened condensed milk. Woohoo! I love this bad boy. Dump it all in there and get yourself a spatula. You do not want to waste none of this goodness here. Okay. Just gonna do that. We're gonna scrape the edges down. Alright, so now that our condensed milk is in here, you just want to mix it all in together. Alright, so I mixed this in for about a minute already, and then I am going to take out the, what is this, the attachment here, the whisk attachment, because we don't need this anymore. We're gonna get our handy dandy spatula here. It sounds weird saying spatula, I don't know why. Okay, let me turn you over. Alright, so we got our mixture, and it looks like, Alright, you guys, once you have everything incorporated, we're gonna add in our Cool Whip. Just let me show you how it all looks together. Alright, look at that. I'm telling you guys, you will not be disappointed. Okay, let me set you back up. Alright, so go ahead and just open this up. Yes, you are going to add this whole tub of Cool Whip in. Just take half of it out first, and you can slowly mix it in. Some people like to put this mixture inside the fridge right after you mix in the Cool Whip for a couple hours, but I just like to go ahead and finish everything, put them all together, and then go ahead and put it in the fridge for a couple hours. So that is the easiest way. Okay, sorry. Oh my gosh, it's so good. The Cool Whip with the condensed milk. You just get such good sweetness. I love it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we do next. We're just basically going to be slicing and dicing. I just bought this Rubbermaid container. It came in a 2-pack for like $3, which is not a bad price. So what we're gonna do now is just place the vanilla wafers and the bananas in here. Now you can do it any way you want. You can have a full bottom of bananas, a full bottom of vanilla wafers, but what I'm gonna do is alternate them. Okay, so, or let me see. I'm gonna just put the cookies in first. Try. Alright, so what you want to do now is just spread your mixture evenly in the container. The rest is very self-explanatory, so I'm speeding this part up, but what you're gonna do is basically repeat this process until the very end. So what you should do is have the vanilla pudding be the very ending layer, and then that way you can add more vanilla wafers on top of it as the decorations. And then once you're done with that, you can go ahead and put it in the fridge for it to set for a couple hours. It has been a couple hours now, okay? I just got done eating dinner and I am ready to get on to my dessert, okay? So it has definitely set good. Let me show you how it looks right now. Alright, so this is how it's looking like. Oh, yup. Say that. Okay. Go ahead and lift this bad boy. Ooh, yes. Let me see if you can see this here. Look at that. There you go. Look at that. You got your vanilla wafers, the banana, and the pudding. Now, I really suggest, unless you like banana flavor that much, to not get banana pudding flavored, because this already, the banana is already like strong. Like, you can definitely taste it once you put it in your mouth. But I'm telling you guys, you really can't go wrong with this. I'm just saying. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you were looking for this recipe, I hope it helped you. And if you've never tried this but you like banana flavored and vanilla wafers, then definitely give this one a try, alright? I will leave everything in the description box below, like the ingredients and measurements. So I will see you next time. Bye bye.